Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with another swing trade that I am looking on Great Britain Pound AUD. So guys, you can see that we have a big drop on AUD, Great Britain Pound AUD, and the market has went so much down from 6th of March and today it's 11th of March. It has completely made the downward pattern. But now I'm looking the things to be different, and it looks like that the price is bouncing from the 4-hour chart, and I'm expecting the upward trend on this pair. Now let's test this thing by using the indicators, that what indicators are saying about this technical analysis. Okay, first of all, you can see the market has made the lowest peak at 0%, and after that the market has moved up and it has break the 23.6 level, and the market is still above the 23.6 level. Okay, now let's check the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart says that the market has bounced from the 50% level and it's still making the upward momentum. Let's go to the daily. Okay, now look at the daily pattern. The market is bouncing up from 23.6 level, so it can test again 1.8726245. So guys, I am not very strongly bullish on this pair, but however I am bullish on this pair that it can go and test up to 1.86275, the 61.8 level of Fibonacci. Okay, now I'm attaching the 200 Forex pips indicators so that we can look at the things using the indicators here. Okay, on the 1 hour it's saying the sell signal, but on if you look at the Fibonacci is still giving the bullish signal because it's above 23.6. okay, if you look at here, if there is a dotted middle line as per the trading system, so if it breaks this level, then it means that the 38.2 level will be confirmed and the market can go to 23.6 level. That's what I'm saying, that I'm expecting the upward trend. Okay, now look at here. If you look at here, it's at the oversold levels on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is highly recommended because you know that it's most important, and the market is bouncing from the daily time frame, so it means we are getting a bullish sign on Great Britain Pound AUD. Okay, now I'm going to attach another pips hunter so that we can the scalper, so that we can say what we can see that what scalper is saying if there is any signal. Okay guys, we have received a buy signal here. The market already moved up. On the 4-hour chart we do not have any signal. It has pointed the sell signal a few days ago, and then the market was down. Okay, on the daily time frame we have not received any signal, so we are testing this thing with another indicator that we used for a price action monitor. Now look at here, a buy signal is provided on the 1-hour chart. It's giving the green signal, whereas on the 4-hour chart, still if you look at the here, then things are very simple, that it's giving the buy signal from the 30% level, like you work on the stochastic. So it's giving the buy signal on the both charts. So guys, I'm bullish on Great Britain Pound AUD. So if you want to trade it at your own risk, you know that I have provided the swing trades in my previous lectures, and they went successful as per my analysis, and with the grace of God we have captured those trades. So I'm bullish on Great Britain Pound AUD. So if you want to trade it, you can trade it at your own risk. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, I have a signal service on Telegram, as well as through signals are sent through email. If you want to subscribe to the signals, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.